How does a self-driving car see the world? Not with one sensor, but many. That's the power of sensor fusion and multimodal machine learning. Sensor fusion is the process of combining data from multiple sensors, like cameras, LiDAR, GPS, and microphones, to get a more accurate and reliable understanding of the environment. Each sensor has limitations, but together they reduce uncertainty and improve decision-making. Multimodal machine learning goes one step further. It integrates different types of data, like images, text, audio, and sensor signals, into a unified AI model. For example, an AI system can analyze video, understand spoken commands, and read text, all at once. The process involves three key steps: alignment, synchronizing data from different sources; fusion, combining data using techniques like early fusion, late fusion, or attention models; prediction, making smarter, context-aware decisions. Modern systems use transformers and cross-modal attention to learn relationships between data types. Sensor fusion and multimodal ML power, autonomous vehicles, healthcare diagnostics using images, plus patient data, smart assistants combining voice and vision robotics and defense systems. These systems are more robust, adaptive, and intelligent. In a world full of diverse data, intelligence comes from integration. Sensor fusion and multimodal ML are shaping the future of AI, making machines understand the world more like humans do.